Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to refund clients in FreshBooks. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? It's pretty simple. Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once again, to the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's facts, and that is how to refund clients in FreshBooks. Now, the first thing you'd like to do is to head over to the left navigation panel of your screen. We have dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports, apps, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Go ahead and click on payment, and that's going to open up the payments window. So over here you have invoice payments and you have checkout link payments. Whichever one, you can refund clients through any of these tabs. So let's say this is a payment, this is an invoice that of course that you want to refund and it's eligible for a refund. Just hover your cursor right on top, or just hover it over the payment or the invoice itself, and it's going to pop up two icons, the edit icon and the refund icon. So if you don't see the refund icon, it means this particular payment cannot be refunded. Here's what it looks like. So once you get in there into the all invoice payments, just hover your cursor over the payment and you see these two icons which include edits and refund. Now click on refund and follow the processes to refund. Now, apart from the payment section, you can also head over to the invoices section. All right, then select the invoice you want to refund, scroll down to all payments for invoices and check the boxes off next to payment. Then select more actions and select refund. And that's how you can refund your client. So these are the steps that you can definitely take to refund your client. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.